Good morning. We're going to do cardio dance live for 5, salsa today. So let's start quickly. We're going to go out, 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 together, together. So it's march, march, march. This is a 4-part combination, but I'm going to teach it a little differently than last week. So we got swing, swing, swing with a bounce. And you can put your hands on your hips. I'm going to turn this, so every single time I touch down on that foot, I'm going to move around my body. One more time. Here we go. Side, 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 bounce. March it out. That's the first step. Here we go. Take it out. Push, push. This is all marching. Then 2 bounces. So very simple. We're going to learn the second step one more time. Hold on. Push. You can add shoulders. Then march it out. Right here, it's a cha-cha mambo. So 1, 2, 3, 2-step. 3-step. 2-step. Let's go. Cha-cha. Mambo. You can do anything with your arms. I'm going to take one front and then one back. So it changes it up. Front. Now you can turn that 2 more times. Push. Last time. Then we're going to put the 2 first steps together. So here we go. The turning one, the cha-cha mambo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Swish it. Cha-cha mambo. Then march it out. Oh, 2 together. Here's your third step. You came from back here. It's just a march forward and back. Mambo. Mambo. Keep going. Mambo. Now you can turn both of these, or you can turn one of them. Doesn't matter. It's just a march, and you can use your hips as much as you like. So this is step number 3. 2 more. Then I'm going to take it from the top. Can't see you guys, so if you're writing me, that's great. Welcome. I hope you stay through the whole thing and do it with me. Here we go. Swish, swish, swish. Push, push. Cha-cha mambo. Hi, Diana. March it out. So we're going to add that mambo to the back. So remember, first 2, now the third one. Let's go. Bounce, bounce. To the front, to the back. Mambo right there. Fantastic. Here we go. We're going to add the last one. Slow it down. Kickball change. Kickball change. Kickball change. Then march. March, march. Then tap it over. Kickball change. Kickball change. Kickball change. There goes my music. I'm going to pick it up. Here we go. Kickball change. Kickball change. Kickball change. March it. March it. March it. That happens when you're live. My vibrations just sent that thing off the floor. Push. All right, let's try this fast. Here we go. Kickball change. Kickball change. March, march, march. Tap. Kickball change. Kickball change. Again, kickball change, kickball change. So on 8, you're tapping over. I'm ready to put it together. I hope you are too. So we're still on the same side. I'm teaching you all on one side. Ready? Swish, swish, swish. Here we go. Tushy out. Shoulders. Cha-cha mambo. One front, then one back. Mambo march. Kickball change twice. 3 marches. And hold. Oh, that's the whole thing. So we're going to do it left side, no breakdown. You got this. Swish, swish. We only have 5 minutes. Front, mambo, right there, march. Kickball change twice, 3 quickies. From the top, push. Yeah, cha-cha mambo. Any arms you want to give me. You can turn here. Or there, kickball change. A 1, 2, 3, and swish. Pop, pop. Again, any arms you want to do. Mambo. Turn it. Kickball change. We're just going to keep going. Swish it. Bounce, bounce, cha-cha. To the back. Mambo. Turn those. Kickball change. 1, 2, 3, and come on, play with me. Oh yeah. Kickball change. That was it, guys. I hope you have a great day. That was 5 minutes. Join me on Friday. Write me. Tell me what you want to see. Have a great day.